Hello YouTubers, in this episode I will show you how to create a new account on this computer. That is, you can add new user to this computer. For instance, you don't want your brother or your sister logging in your account here in the computer, messing up with your files, deleting some things that you don't want, or checking some pictures or videos that you don't want. So in Mageia this is very easy to do. In Mageia Control Center it's very easy to do through the GUI. Mageia really shines out among the other distribution with the Mageia Control Center and can be done everything through the GUI. Of course you can do it in the command line interface, but for the new user this is much easier, I think, in the graphical way to do these administrative things. So let's add new account. We go to System, Manage Users on the System. So in this icon we click Add New, we give the name, let's say Mike. Write Mike, put some password 123 or whatever password you want. All the other settings are default, even you can choose an icon here for him. Click OK, and that's it. That's all you can do right now. Let's say we create some folder here. Let's call it private folder, and you have some files. So you can change the, let's say, you can change the access to this folder to be accessed only by you. Let's see the permissions on the files right now. Here our folder is private. You can change the permissions by going in the terminal and write chmod 700. We'll put one parameter R. It's recursive, that means all files in this folder will be written, executed and write only by you, no one else except the root, of course, but you are the root. And we're gonna put the name of the folder. Now we can see that the permissions are only for you: read, write and execute inside. Now let's log off to see our new created account. Actually we will restart. It might take some time, but let's see. If it does take time, I will skip until it loads. Okay, alright, right now we see the new account. It's only, before it was only Midnight User, but right now we have Mike. Our password is 123 or whatever password you inserted. As you can see, when it logged in, it will be the default interface of Mageia KDE 5. It's a brand new because it's not customized as we did in the Midnight Linux user account. Now it's a brand new account. Here we go, the welcome screen for the first boot. Suppose that this is your brother here and he wants to check in your folder or your home directory. This is your brother and this is your account. Let's say want to go in private, you see in private folder, because we changed the permissions, he cannot see anything what is inside, or he has no any privileges to create files, delete files, etc. So I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.